Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out more new releases from RENOGY. They just released this 600-watt, 12-volt anti-shading DIY solar kit, and there's a really good discount going on right now you can take advantage of. Plus, you can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So with this, we got all-in-one power, everything upgraded. This is a lot of their newest technology that they've released, including the anti-shading Shadow Lux solar panels. 0 weak links, fully pro-level system that leaves nothing standard. Compact power solution, 3 kilowatt hours, IP67, real-time monitoring, simple wiring, customizable setup, double active safety design, components work in harmony seamlessly. Now let's take a look at what all that means. What can a 3 kilowatt hour kit run? From the solar panels to appliances, see how a 600-watt setup supports a real RV living efficiently and reliably. 600 watts is actually pretty good. Get about 3,000 watt hours per day, which is a pretty good amount of power. Especially when you're in an off-grid situation like this, you're definitely not using that much power. Average daily use is around 20 kilowatt hours or something like that a day, and you're getting about 3 kilowatt hours a day right here. Pretty reasonable amount. Personally, I use less than the national average myself. So you got complete RV power system, you got the wiring diagram, here's everything included in the system. You get 2 of the ProSmart batteries, which you can conveniently monitor with the app, well as you got the MPPT here and your inverter that gives you AC power. 3 of the solar panels here that'll be connected as well, and you got the fuse to protect the system if there's ever any issues. On top of that, there's going to be a couple extra fuses involved. So here's a breakdown of the 4-step installation guide for your RV power system. Connect the house batteries. You're going to link these batteries together using proper gauge cables and fuses. Step 2, connect the starter battery. Wire the DCC 505 to the starter battery, which is basically your DC to DC battery charger. And this actually has an MPPT built in too, so you can charge it using your car battery as well as charge it using solar panels. So you're going to connect your inverter after that. Connect your inverter to the battery bank using heavy duty cables and A&L fuse protection. Make sure you size everything appropriately. Got any questions about that? Drop a comment. Step 4, connect solar panels to get extra power production throughout the day. Use branch connectors to wire panels in parallel and connect to the DC 505 input with a 30 amp fuse. So in this case, you're going to want to wire them in this configuration to maximize your MPPT properly. And you can brave the cold for winter journeys. For winter outdoor enthusiasts, the self-heating RENOGY 12-volt 200 amp hour Pro LFP batteries that are included in this are a must-have. With charging currents above 6 amps, it automatically heats up to ensure safe charging in sub-zero temperatures, keeping your essentials powered throughout the cold. Basically what this is if you can get a little bit of power going into your battery through a charger, whether through your vehicle or through solar panels, all you need is about 6 amps, which isn't that much power. And you can get this running and actually start to heat up the battery where you can start actually discharging and charging the battery properly without harming it. So you got Shadow Flux rigid panels. These are really great panels. I just got one myself. We'll be unboxing, checking out an Adventure Tech 2.0 YouTube channel. Engineered for high efficiency and smaller footprint. They really do put out a lot of power and they don't lag behind, because a lot of small panels, when you're talking about 50% of a 100-watt panel, that's not a lot. You get 50% of a 600-watt panel, you're getting 300 watts, you're not that mad about it. But when you got a 100-watt panel, you really want to try to max it out. These Shadow Flux panels are what you want. You got the ProSmart lithium iron phosphate battery. This is lithium iron phosphate, so you're getting 4,000 or so recharges before even noticing major differences in the battery capacity. That's like 10 years of usage, even if you're using it every single day. And you got the DC to DC MPPT battery charger. This is really cool because you got the DC to DC charger and the MPPT, so you can charge from solar panels or charge directly off your vehicle's battery. And this makes everything very easy. You're actually getting all the cables, everything you need, even the Z brackets needed to mount your solar panels. You're gonna have everything you need to get going, and all you gotta do is purchase one thing, the RENOGY 600-watt 12-volt anti-shading kit. So this is very convenient all-in-one kit, and it's a really good price, and there's a huge discount going on right now. So I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention. You can use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel, AdventureTech, for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.